Hi, welcome to English Hamster. Are you learning English? Great. Here we learn through stories. They are simple and interesting. You can improve English while learning knowledge. Remember to subscribe, like and comment. Let's get started. Do you want to speak English really fast? Do you want to make sentences quickly and easily? If yes, then this lesson is perfect for you. Lots of people can understand English, but they find it hard to speak because they can't build sentences quickly. Today, we're going to help you with that. Stick with us until the end, and you'll learn some really useful ways to make sentences super fast. But first, don't forget to subscribe to our channel, turn on the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up. It really helps us and makes us want to create more lessons for you. Why is making sentences so important? Well, speaking English is kind of like building a house. If you don't have the right materials, your house won't be very strong. In English, words are like the bricks, and sentence structures are like the tools you use to put them together. If you can put words together quickly, you'll be able to speak more naturally and feel more confident. A lot of people know lots of words, but they still can't make sentences quickly. This lesson is going to show you how to train your brain to make sentences right away. Let's start with the first tip. Try to think in simple sentence structures. A lot of beginners try to make really long and complicated sentences, but that just makes them go slow and makes mistakes. Instead, focus on keeping things simple. 1. Start with short sentences like, I like coffee. She goes to school. We play football. Once you feel comfortable with those, you can make them a bit longer. I like coffee in the morning. She goes to school every day. We play football on Sundays. Practicing with simple sentences first will help you speak much faster. For example, if you want to talk about what you like to do, you can start with a simple sentence like, I like music. Then you can add a little more detail. I like listening to music. And then even more. I like listening to music in the evening. Each time you add a little more, you're getting better at making sentences quickly. 2. Now, let's move on to the second tip. Use sentence patterns. There are some common patterns in English that you can practice a lot. For example, subject plus verb plus object. I eat an apple. She reads a book. Subject plus verb plus adjective. The sky is blue. This food is delicious. Subject plus verb plus preposition plus noun. He goes to the park. We sit on the chair. If you practice these patterns a lot, you'll be able to make sentences without having to think too hard. Let's practice a bit. Say, I eat an apple. Now change the subject and the object. You eat a banana. See how easy that is? You can do the same with the other patterns. The sky is blue. Now change the subject and the adjective. The grass is green. The more you practice, the better you'll get. 3. Try the shadowing technique. Shadowing is a really powerful way to learn. All you have to do is listen to a simple English sentence and repeat it right away. Try to copy how fast the speaker talks and the rhythm of their speech. This helps your brain get used to making sentences quickly. For example, listen to this. I am going to the store. Now repeat it. I am going to the store. Each time you do it, try to say it a bit faster. If you do this every day, you'll see a big improvement in how fast you can speak. You can practice shadowing with any English audio. It could be a song, a podcast, or even a movie. Just listen carefully and repeat what you hear. It's like you're following the speaker, like a shadow. This is a great way to improve your speaking speed and your pronunciation. 4. Practice with questions and answers. This is a great way to train your brain to respond quickly. Here's how it works. Question: what do you do in the morning? Answer: I wake up and drink coffee. Question: where do you live? Answer: I live in New York. This technique helps you think fast and respond in a natural way. You can practice this with a friend or even by yourself. Write down some questions and then answer them as quickly as you can. The more you practice, the faster you'll be able to respond. 5. Practice with a timer. Set a timer for 1 minute and try to make as many sentences as you can. For example, pick a word like dog. Now make some sentences. The dog is running. My dog is small. I see a dog in the park. This exercise makes you think quickly and helps you get better at speaking fluently. You can do this exercise with any word. Try it with cat or tree or even book. The goal is to make as many sentences as you can in 1 minute. It's a fun challenge and it really helps improve your fluency. 6. Use common phrases. Memorizing common phrases can really help you speak faster. Here are some examples. I think that. I don't know. Can you help me? When you know these phrases really well, you won't have to think too much when you're speaking. You can use these phrases in different situations. For example, if you're not sure about something, you can say, I don't know. Or if you need help, you can say, can you help me? The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. 7. Describe what you see. Look around you and describe what you see in English. For example, the sky is blue. A man is walking on the street. I see a red car. This helps your brain get used to making sentences in a natural way. You can do this anywhere. If you're at the park, you can say, the trees are green. If you're at home, you can say, the television is on. The more you practice describing things, the better you'll get at making sentences quickly. 8. Try to speak without translating. One big problem for learners is that they translate from their own language first. This makes speaking really slow. Instead, train your brain to think in English. If you see a cat, don't think that is a cat in your language first. Just think cat in English. A good exercise is to take simple sentences and say them directly in English. I am hungry. The weather is nice today. She is my friend. The more you practice this, the faster you'll be able to speak. For example, if you want to say something about the weather, don't translate it from your language. Just say, it's sunny, or it's raining. This will help you get used to thinking in English. 9. Practice telling stories. Telling short stories in English is a great way to get better at speaking. Start with simple sentences. Yesterday, I woke up early. I made breakfast. Then I went to work. Then make the story a bit longer. Yesterday, I woke up early because I had a meeting. I made coffee and toast. Then I took a bus to work. Practicing storytelling will help you make sentences quickly. You can tell stories about your day, your weekend, or even something that happened a long time ago. The more you practice, the better you'll get at making sentences and telling stories. 10. Join our Telegram group. Practicing by yourself is good, but practicing with other people is even better. Join our Telegram group where you can find English-speaking partners. The link is in the caption. You can chat, practice speaking, and improve your sentence-making skills with real people. In the group, you can ask questions, share stories, and help each other. It's a great way to practice and make new friends who are also learning English. Now it's your turn. Try out these techniques and let us know in the comments which tip you find most useful. And remember to like this video, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. If this lesson helped you, be sure to share it with your friends so they can learn too. Let's review all the tips one more time. First, think in simple sentence structures. Start with short sentences and then make them longer. Second, use sentence patterns like subject plus verb plus object. Third, try the shadowing technique to improve your speed and pronunciation. Fourth, practice with questions and answers to get faster at responding. Fifth, use a timer to make as many sentences as you can in 1 minute. Sixth, memorize common phrases to help you speak faster. Seventh, describe what you see to practice making sentences naturally. Eighth, try to speak translating from your own language. Ninth, practice telling stories to get better at making sentences. And 10th, join our Telegram group to practice with other people. Remember, the key to speaking English quickly is practice. The more you practice, the better you'll get. So, try these tips every day and you'll see a big improvement in your English speaking skills. Good luck and have fun learning. Hey, if you learned something new today, please give this video a like. Write your thoughts in the comments and subscribe to the channel. It only takes a second and it really helps to create more English videos for you. Thank you. See you next time. Bye.